Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for all things beauty, hair, fashion, and lifestyle. Today I am coming at you with my eye look featuring the new Pat McGrath, what is it? Mothership, I forgot, 9. Anyway, it's the Huetopian palette, the latest palette that Pat McGrath came out with, and I created this amazing eye look utilizing this palette. So if you're interested in seeing how I was able to come up with this look, then be sure to keep on watching. Before we start out the video, if you aren't already subscribed, then please make sure you take some time to hit that subscribe button down below. That is, of course, if you love the content that I have here on my channel. And if you are subscribed, then make sure you turn on your notification bell to be notified whenever I upload new videos. All right, now let's get into this eye look, shall we? Okay, so we are getting into this eye look, and I have the Pat McGrath palette, and the first shade I'm going in with is Eden. And let me show you guys which shade that is. That's this shade right here. Ooh. My palette is like moving all over the place. So, oh my gosh, let me just hold this because I don't want this to drop. And I'll just use this to get into my eye. So I have Eden. Eden is like described as like that pinky kind of mauve shade. That's kind of how I would describe Eden. And this is my Sigma E40 brush. And this is probably the second time that I am using this palette, and I love it. So yeah, just going in and patting down Eden into the transition area. And yeah, I'm not doing any blending as yet. I just want to get the color like I want into the transition area, and then I will blend the color. Yeah, so now I have a nice like wash of color. I'm going to go in and blend. But before I do, I am going to do the same thing on the other eye. Okay, so now I am gonna go in with Plum Noir, and I'm just packing that right below Eden. So just right below there, and like that. And I'm gonna show you guys what Plum Noir is. There's only 3 matte shades in this palette, so this is Plum Noir, and that's what I am just barely packing that into the crease. And I'm also going to put that on the outer V as well. So just doing it on the outer V and then taking it into the crease. And that's all we're doing with this color. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye. And now I'm just kind of blending it a little bit, but that's basically what we're doing on this eye. Yes. So because I don't want this to become like too smoky, I want this to be like daytime, I'm just going in with my Marc Jacobs brown liner in Earthquake. And it's not even really a brown eyeliner, it's more like a black brown eyeliner. So it's gonna give me more of that dark brown that I'm looking for. And that's what I'm just putting in on my lower lashes. And then I'm just basically gonna go in with those same 2 colors, Eden and Plum Smoke, and I'm going to blend that out under my lower lashes. So yeah, nothing really major. So right now I just have my my Wayne Goss brush, and I'm just going to start to blend out that color, the brown color, and then I'm gonna go in with Eden and Plum Smoke. So just easy. And that's kind of what it looks like already just blended out. So nothing major, guys. Okay, so I have this Pat McGrath IntensifEYES Artistry wand, and it's just like a little click top. So I'm gonna click down, and I'm basically just gonna put this on my eye area right where I'm going to put the metallic or shimmer shade. And I used this in the last look, and it did help to intensify the eyes. And I'm gonna put it on the other eye, because that by the time this dries, then it will be time to put down the eyeshadow. So yeah, it's almost like carving out my lid, but not really. But yeah, I like using this to give me a little oomph. And I even like to put it in the inner corner of my eye, so that whatever shade I put in there, it will be looking extra. Okay, so I typically clean this off. So let me just clean this off. Okay, so for my shimmer shade, I'm gonna go in with this middle shade here. This one, and it's called Bronze Desire. And I'm going to just pack that on. So I already have, oh yes, yes, yes. Oh my goodness. Do you guys see that? It just glides on. It minimizes any kind of fallout. And then it just kind of gives me good color payoff. And just, now I'm just gonna pat it in. And yes, honey, I love it. So just kind of swipe, pat, whatever you want to do. However, I think for the other eye though, I'm gonna start out with my fingers. But that is so pretty. All right, let me show you like what my fingers will do. So there you go. Just, oh, wow, that's amazing. Amazing. Okay, just kind of patting it in. Yes. Ooh, yes. Okay. All right, guys. So I finished off the eye look. I went ahead and applied some lashes. And for my lashes, I used Solar Moon. And this is by Raquel Beauty. And these kind of give me like that nice wispy, but also kind of has like a nice little wing attached to it. So yeah, that was the lashes that I decided to use to complete the look. And I love the way that the look came out. I still think that this is like a daytime, you know, eye look, because I did use like a lighter shade. The last time I used the palette, I did more like a fall, maybe more mauve-y, purpley kind of sort of eye, and I loved it. So this palette is amazing. It blends beautifully. I also love that fetish wand thing. You guys see how I used it. It did intensify the look. However, I felt like I should have used my fingers instead of the brush. And when I used my fingers, I felt like I liked the way that it applied better. It looked more oomph. Minimal fallout from the shadows. So yeah, I can't complain. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. All right, guys, that completes today's video. If you aren't already subscribed, then please make sure that you hit the subscribe button down below. If you are already subscribed, then make sure you turn on your notification bell to be notified whenever I upload new videos. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this eye look. Let me know if you also picked up this palette or you skipped the palette altogether. Let's talk about it in the comments. All right, guys, thanks, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.